Learning this dragon stretch is equivalent to a universal formula. It is used to slim down your legs, shape your legs, stretch your legs and buttocks. Learn it carefully. Then slowly move your right knee back, stick the instep inside, raise your head, look forward, push the mat with your hands, lift your chest forward and upward, raise your head, send your chin forward and upward and press your shoulders back. You can already feel the stretch of the front thigh of the back leg, and at the same time, it will increase the stretch of the inner abdomen of the front leg. If you want to increase the difficulty of this action, lift the back foot and kneel over the knee with your toes. When you lift it up, you need to take 2 bricks and place them next to your feet, and slowly put your elbows on the yoga bricks in front. Press the ground with your 2 small arms to press the yoga roll, lift the ribs up, press the shoulders back and then lift it again. Use the forefoot to exert force, and try to push the front of your thigh away from the ground. Keep breathing like this, then exhale, slowly inhale to push the yoga roll with your hands, take the yoga roll away, and then retract your left leg back. Hip sits on the heels. Lift the other hip in the same way. Then take a big step with the right leg. Move the left knee back. Push the mat with your hands. Lift the chest up. Keep the shoulders relaxed. This will be easier. You can hold this action for about a minute. Then increase the difficulty by putting 2 bricks next to your feet. Push the bricks up. Then push the knee behind the yoga turn with your hands. The thigh leaves the ground. Slowly, your forearm presses the front yoga turn with your hands vertically and raise your head. Hold here for about a minute. Then exhale. Slowly lower your knees and push the yoga turn with your hands. Then you have to pull it back and sit on your heels synchronously.